Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. All the
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic for today is how to make short video. Here are the steps to make short video. Number 1, upload video at least 30 minutes or less than 1 minute. Number 2, drag the video or select video in your computer to upload. Number 3, write your description and do the other setting like you upload a normal video. In this video, I did the settings of details, monetization, video elements, check my video if there's no copyright, and visibility. And then I went back to the description of the video. Number 4, write hashtag short on the description box. Number 5, don't forget to save it. So let's check. Now the short video is on my short video list. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell notification. See you next video. Bye.
life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. All the